Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast of WebTech Zone. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about how you can proceed print in Canva. So it will be this video will be giving you the perfect process of how you can print the document. So let's start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my document which I want to print. Okay, so I have one page. Okay, so go to the share, go to the download. First you need to download this as a PDF print. Okay, this is best for printing. Okay, now select that RBG based digital use. Okay, here you can see some option like you can crop, marks and bleed, flatter PDF, include notes. If you have notes it will be include, match reading order to letters. Okay, don't click anyone. If you have notes on your document, then you can include it. Okay, now just download it. So once it's download, just open that document like this. Okay, it will be open in Chrome also. Now go to the print, select your printer, it will be okay, and from here you can select all pages, select the size. You can customize pages also. If you have multiple pages you can customize from here. Like if you want to print 1 to 5 you can print 1 to 5, and if you want to print only 1 and 5 then just use the comma. Okay, so we don't have page, so that's why it's like showing error. Okay, now here the color, here the size, you can choose the page per sheet. Okay, page per sheet, you can maximize the sheets for on per page. Okay, and just print it. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.